The screen you see now is the place where Imitech's sister team in UK, the Research and Design Center team work in office. 14 years ago, Jason, the founder of Imitech, had the honor to meet and know the famous British designer Austin, and formally established the wonderful cooperation with mutual trust and support each others. During the past 14 years, our British sister team members worked together with Imitech design team, developed and produced many excellent products, including artificial intelligence products, assisted reproduction products, masks, electronic consumer products, automotive parts and components. They are sold to the global market. Besides, contributing to the human aspirations for a better life and helping Imitech's vision, serving products to the world, build malls to the global. We are expecting the designers of our Imitech UK Design Center to work forward the good work and women cooperation for helping all to live a better life.